Hi, my name is Mark Dudley. I'm a senior electronic engineer here with Civacon, and today we're going to show you how to install RFID tags at a COPS gas station. To install an RFID tag at the gas station, there's two things you're going to need. One is going to be the RFID tag, and the other one is going to be the stainless steel cable tie that it comes with. First, you're going to take it and loop the stainless steel cable tie through the first hole, then back around and into the second hole. Then you're going to slide the end of the cable tie through the one-way clamp on the cable tie. You're going to make a lasso, so we're going to take the RFID tag and the stainless steel cable clamp that we just put together. Now we're going to put it down around the fill pipe, and we're going to pull the cable clamp tight. And next, what you'll do is take it and cut off the excess cable. In this video, we showed you how to install an RFID tag into a spill bucket at a COPS gas station. If you need any more information on this, please visit our website at civacon.com or talk to one of our inside customer sales representatives.